cooling technology improves interior temperature uniformity to plus or minus 1 degree Celsius, ensures temperature variation within 2 degrees Celsius, provide better protection to the vaccines, medicines, and samples. Strong cooling airflow from the top to the bottom works as an air curtain to block the external hot air entering the refrigerator when door is opening, to prevent the interior temperature from rising rapidly. Improve temperature uniformity by 40%. Save energy consumption by 47%. Increase the effective interior space by 10%. Adjustable shelves, flexible to organize inner space. 6 humanized designs. 6 sensors. Built-in USB data logger guarantees safe storage.